No, I don't give my sons for the war. Their lives are precious, worth fighting for. In the face of conflict, I stand my ground. For peace and love, in them I am bound. Their innocence shines like a beacon bright. No, I don't give my sons to the fight. In the face of conflict, I stand my ground. For peace and love, in them I am bound. Their innocence shines like a beacon bright. No, I don't give my sons to the fight. I pray for a world where swords turn to plow, where all can live in harmony's vow. In the shadow of battle, I hold them near. No, I don't give my sons to fear. The laughter their dreams, like a gentle stream. In a world torn apart, there might gleam. I raise my voice against the drum of war. No, I don't give my sons to the gore. For a future of hope, where love prevails. In their eyes, the light never fails. I'll shield them from harm with all my might. No, I don't give my sons to the night. In their hands, the power to build, not destroy. In their hearts, the flame of peace and joy. Of battle, I'm near. Hold them near. No, I don't give my sons to fear. In a world torn apart, there might bleed. I bleed. I raise my voice against the drum of war. No, I don't give my sons to the gore. For a future of hope, where love prevails. In their eyes, the light never fails. I raise my voice against the drum of war. No, I don't give my sons to the gore. For a future of hope, where love prevails. In their eyes, the light never fails. I'll share